Hey guys, good morning. It's Tuesday and I can only get myself to go to the gym today, but do you know what? I actually think, like, I didn't want to go for the last while and I was like, fine, I won't force myself into it, like, because I also was thinking about joining another gym in like the next month. I'm talking like this because I can't sleep. And then I was like, I don't know, but then yesterday I was like, oh, I should go to the gym but I don't want to, and then I didn't even have time to go, and then I got a walk and stuff in and I felt good. And then last night I was like, you know, I think I'm gonna book into the gym, but like no massive pressure if I don't make it or if I want to change the time tomorrow. So then I just booked in for 7 to 8 today, and I woke up at 20 to 7 and my alarm was set for 2:45, so I was like, grand, I'm ready. And then yeah, now I'm actually looking forward to it, just doing what I want and not putting too much pressure on myself. Yeah, I think we're gonna go to Dundrum and stuff today, so I'll bring you along with me and I'll chat to you when I'm back, because it's 7 o'clock now, and because of COVID we only get an hour slot, so I better go. It is only 1 minute away, but still. Oh, also I'm wearing this set from Pennies. I'm always asked about it, it's so nice. It's such good quality, it's probably one of my faves, but it's so old, like I want to say 3 years old, so annoying, but hopefully they'll bring out more good ones again. They always have pretty good gym gear, sometimes it's hit and miss though. Hey guys, so we're just back from, we went to the garden centre, Homesavers, we went to, where did we go, Dunn's, so many random places. Mr. Price, because Con needed to get some like storage boxes for work, so yeah, we were dragged around the whole world looking for them, because obviously everyone wants them at the moment, so they were hard to get. But got a good few bits in the garden centre, so I'm really happy about that. I'll show you them, and we're gonna hopefully get started on a bit of it now, because we just need to. This is so nice. I got this hanging basket, I love it. It's very dark in here, sorry. I hope you can see. And then this for putting it on. Then I got some lavender, that was only $3.50. Love that, probably put that in the back. And then we got these for in the hanging basket. Hopefully that's enough. And then also got these in Homesavers. Got dwarf daffodils, I've never seen them, but the tulips I liked, and then I just had to pick another one to go with it because it was 2 for €5, so I think that would be nice. Probably put these in the front garden because I'll show you. So like all along here we have we can put stuff in there, so I'll probably start planting them and some more in there, so I think that they'll look nice in there. And then I'm not sure where to put the hang basket, probably like there, I don't know. There's already a light there though. But no, I'll ask him what he thinks. Oh, and then we also got loads of grass seed because we want to put grass down in the back garden, because I think it will just look a lot better than the like gravelly bits, because all the weeds just keep growing through it. And then we just got some soil for doing the hanging baskets and stuff like that. It was only $6.50 for all of this. I probably only need a small bit, but actually no, sorry, that's not it. We also got chip bark, I forgot about that. That was like a fibre, so we were like, fuck it. And yeah, we got the soil, but I need to find that. So we're finished for today. Come planted some more grass. We're gonna do basically like, see all these bits along the side of the walkway, just change it to grass because it was stones and it's not for us. And then we might change other bits, but it's definitely good to have just grass down as like a base, so we'll do that. And then along here we'll have like a flower bed. I think Con's gonna go and get some like wooden sleepers and stuff to go along. And then this bit here he put up a bit higher, so now there's a step down. and then we'll do a sleeper there, and then here will be lower. And yeah, so then we'll probably keep all these stones and use them down here to level it off down here a bit, and then we'll do like a wooden deck at the end eventually, and that'll be up like a bit higher, I think. So it's kind of the idea, but we're literally winging it. So, and then we just give up here a little bit of a tidy. You don't know how bad it was before, but yeah, that's more stuff that always has to be brought to the recycling centre, except for this obviously. We're gonna hang this up now. Con's just charging his drill. Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm just back from Tesco and I got some more flowers. I'm gonna do them from garden. So yeah, those flowers are cute. I'm glad that they're done. Imagine this actually ever focused on me. There we go. Not that I honestly wanted to because I look terrible. But Con did a good bit at the back as well. I'll show you. Can't remember, did I show you earlier? I think I did. I did, didn't I? Anyway, yeah, so he's put down loads of stuff to level it out here. Obviously he ran out and did a bit more, so then we're gonna have like a step down, if you get me, instead of the whole garden just being like a slope, because it does go down. So yeah, this side's done. We did some grass there ages ago and it grew on top of the stones and all, so we're just leaving it there. And that's it. And then we're gonna get more sleeper things probably, or something similar, to go along all the way down there as a fire bed. I was going to say as a flower bed, and we put some bark and stuff in there to look nice. And then this side is a bit smaller, so we'll just leave that, you know. So we just have the fire bed. Why do I keep saying that? The flower bed on that side. And then we'll probably do the same down here, not level it out though, just do grass here. Well, we might flatten it a bit because there's this left. I think if we put more down there and make it more flat here, it'd be better. And then down at the very back, like I said, we're gonna have a wooden deck whenever we get around to getting that done or doing it, I don't know. And that'll probably be like from where this concrete starts, I'd say. I don't really know, we haven't thought it through, but like definitely up to the back of where the fence is. And my dad keeps saying like, you need a plan, so we probably do. And we're also going to make a fence for along here. My dad he has a plan, like a cool pallet. Sorry, my camera keeps going out of battery, but anyway, my dad keeps saying that we need a plan and he's not wrong. So I'm going to probably go onto Pinterest and save all the images and stuff that I've got and like decide which bits we actually want, and get all those ideas together, and then I can show my dad and he can help us and we'll have a clearer idea as well. So I think we're all a bit, well, me and Connor both a bit like, I don't know where to start, but anyway, it's good and we're just getting into it. Like, the only way is to just start, I guess. So yeah, then my dad has a plan for building a fence around here, like a cool pallet one, so we'll do that until we get more fencing done next year. But like, if it's really good, we might just keep the pallet one, we'll see. So yeah, that will definitely tidy this bit up a lot and make a massive difference. And yeah, still debating painting the fencing. I'm not sure, it still looks so nice the way it is, but I don't know how long it will stay looking nice. I don't know, like a nice grey or something. I don't know, what do you think? What colour do you think if I do paint it? You can obviously just put like varnishy things on it as well and oils, but I think it'd be nicer with just paint, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna go in now, and actually I'm gonna go for a walk now and then have dinner and chill. Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm just sitting here having a cup of coffee, and I am heading off now. Con is going into work today for a bit, but I'm gonna bring him. We're going first to Dundrum because he has to try on a suit for a wedding that he's the best man for, and then I'll drop him into work for a bit, and then it's my auntie's birthday, so we're going to the park having a picnic, my family are, Then I'll see where the afternoon and evening takes me. I'm meeting up with Megan for a while, so you get to see her. It's been ages, and it's been ages since I've seen her. I miss her. And then yeah, see my family, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll bring you along. It'll be fun. It's a really nice day, and it's probably one of the last days that I'll get to wear shorts, so I'm wearing shorts. Oh, I should have done this when I was upstairs with a mirror, but do you think I remembered? No. So this is PLT. It's actually very see-through though. I'd love a better quality one. I have a grey one from Estee the Label, and if she had a white one I would definitely get it. These shorts are Shein. They were like a tenner. And then I'm wearing these from Ego. Probably the only time we'll get to wear these because they didn't come in time for my haul, so but I'm taking my Vans with me because chances are I'll be struggling to drive in these. I might be okay if I drove in them in socks, with socks before on the way to Tesco, and my feet were kind of slipping a bit, but it wasn't bad. But because I don't have socks on today, hopefully they'd stay on a bit better. I don't know. But anyway, I'm bringing my Vans in case because I'll probably go for a walk on the pier and stuff with Megan, so I need to make sure I'm comfy. They seem pretty comfy, but just the fact I haven't got to test my property, I don't trust them. Good morning. So it's now Friday, woohoo! I've been up since like 7, Con's gone to work and stuff, but I've just been sitting on the couch watching YouTube, having a cup of coffee and scrolling through my phone. But anyway, I'm booked into the gym for 8:30. I wish that there were slots for 7, but I didn't think of booking it until I was literally in bed at like 11 last night. So what can you do? But anyway, so I wasn't in the mood to go, but now that I'm up and stuff, I'm looking forward to just going. And yeah, fuck it, I've loads to do today as well, so I want a productive day. I feel like I've just got so many little bits piling up at the moment, so I just want to have a good productive day. And I know if I get out to the gym then I'll be a bit more awake afterwards, so I'll go to the gym, come back, have a nice healthy breakfast, and then get into everything I have to do. So yeah, I'm wearing this penny set. It's actually really, really nice, but I just didn't have the confidence to wear it really. And I still don't without a top on over it, because yeah, but it's actually really nice. I quite like it. I especially love this pink bit, but that's like the one bit that I don't really want to show, so it's kind of unfortunate, but I love the colours together. Anyway, yeah, and it's also great quality. I feel like Penny's haven't had good gym gear in a while, but then again I haven't really been looking. I need some though, so I need to go have a look soon. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna head to the gym before the bloody time slot is over. And I will talk to you later. Okay guys, so I just got a delivery. I'm gonna open it for you. It is from Healthy Cave, and they got in touch and asked if they could send me some of their healthy meals. I obviously said yes, because you know me, I'm trying to be healthy. And they look really, really nice. I didn't like pick them or anything. They literally just said we'll send you out a few bits. I was like, okay. So I have no idea what's in this, but I'm really excited. Oh, how exciting, how fun for the weekend. Okay. All wrapped up like this, I'll just keep it fresh. Wow, there's so much in here. Okay, I'm actually going to move the camera over because then you'll be able to see. It looks so good. Oh my god, unreal. Okay, so I have them all laid out in here because it's much easier to show you. So over here is open, unfortunately, so it's yeah, oh, so annoying. But anyways, everything else is absolutely fine. It was all packaged really carefully, so it was obviously just, I don't know, it was probably thrown around the box, I'd say. But yeah, so there was 2 lean chicken supreme and root veg mash. Everything has like the cals and protein, fat, carbohydrates, whatever, and all the ingredients on the front and the use by date. And then chicken Caesar salad, oh, unreal, pasta bolognese, teriyaki beef and noodle stir fry. Like, the calories are so good. It's 472 calories, and so is that. It's so good. And then there is raspberry and white chocolate oat pot, blueberry and chia cave pot, and then a protein brownie, 244 calories for that, 11 grams of protein. And then there's two little things here with a few Biscoff and white chocolate cave bars in them. They look unreal. Some chef. Eating one of these is so nice. Wow. Anyway, we're going out there for a walk and getting an iced coffee. It's Saturday now, by the way. I am wearing this big shirt from H&M. Love. They've got loads of just good big throw-on shirts. This is an extra large now. It is a bit too big, but I could wear it as a shirt dress because it's that length, but then it's massive this way. Like, it's okay when it's open, but when it's closed it looks a bit weird. But anyway, then this is just a Penny's top. These are I saw for cycle shorts now. They're very see-through, so I wouldn't recommend, but they're the only white ones that I have. Now I'm just wearing Vans. I didn't wear Vans for a while, and now I love them again. Not that I didn't like them, I just kind of forgot about them, if you get me. So that's it. Hey guys, I'm coming to you from the future. I'm gonna end the video here because something really exciting happens in the next vlog, so I want to cut it off here. So yeah, the next video will be out hopefully in a few days because I'm gonna be a consistent queen this week. I can feel it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you did, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.